What is up, everybody? Golden Holden here, and today we're going to be plating these bracelets a customer sent in to us. As you can see, this one is pretty dirty, and there is this copper one that is pretty dull and dirty as well, and we're going to just plate them and clean them up. So today we are using the Mother's Mag, and this is a great product. We do sell it on our website, and this just helps clean up and polish your items that need polishing. You can see just how good that polished this silver bracelet up. It looks fantastic, and we're gonna move on to the copper bracelet and see how well we can polish that one up. Look how bright we got this bracelet. It looks fantastic. It was super dull, and now it is nice and shiny. And now we gotta go on to washing them, and we wanna make sure we always wash our pieces after we use the Mother's Mag or any type of polishing, because the polish will make it so you can't plate onto the item. So you wanna make sure you scrub it with some dish soap. We use Ivory dish soap, and just scrub it with a toothbrush or a brush that won't scratch your piece, and they should be good after you wash them all up and clean them off. Now we are going to put our silver one into the electro clean and get it going for about 2 minutes at 5 volts. So we can see that it all got bubbly and it is all electro cleaned. I'm just checking it to see if there's any water breaks, which there isn't. So I'm going to move on to the tri-valve, and we'll tri-valve this at the same voltage, 5 volts. And I'm going to do this for about 8 seconds, 8 to 10 seconds, maybe a little longer. I'm just checking here to make sure that it got tri-valved all across the piece and it plated it in that small layer of gold. And I'm just checking it, quality checking it, it looks good. We're going into the nickel for about 2 minutes, and then check it halfway through, look at it, looks good, and then we'll put it back in and move on to the gold. Now we are going to put this into the 18K gold, and the 18K gold is just like the 24K gold. It's just looks lighter because there is an additive in the gold that makes it look that way, but it is the same amount of hardness and the same gold as the 24K gold. It just looks different in appearance. So this is it before our gold, and this is it after our gold, and that piece looks absolutely beautiful, and I love how it turned out. And now we're going to move on to the copper piece after this one. So here is our copper piece. We are going to put it into the electro clean and do the same process as the last piece we just did. So here we're using the tri-valve again, making sure we're plating it properly. Don't want to miss any parts on this piece. And this helps just make sure you are activating your item properly and it's getting plated correctly. So just make sure you're checking your pieces once you use the tri-valve, and if not, you're gonna have to go back and redo that process of cleaning it up, electro cleaning it, and then putting it back in the tri-valve and see if you activated it properly. So we just put the nickel on it and it's looking good. And now we're going to move on to the 18K gold. Once again, we moved it into a smaller beaker, so we didn't have to use the bigger one because we were using that for a different item. So that's me just plating it, and look how good that looks. This is the before and here's the after. And that piece looks absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a great plating job that we did. It turned out amazing and I think they look great. And if you enjoyed them, please give us a like. And if you have any questions, go to our website. And thanks so much for watching.